Dear subscribers, that will tell you how you can easily fix your error. So if you receive error on your iPhone, refresh feed error on Instagram. So how you can fix it. So for fixing it, first thing you need to check your internet connection. So just go to the settings. In the settings, if you're using Wi-Fi, just open Wi-Fi, just turn it off and turn on again. Also you can try to turn on off mobile data and turn on again. Also you can try to turn on airplane mode, wait a few seconds and just turn it off. So if it doesn't help you, just go to the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power on your phone again. So just simple restart your phone. And if it doesn't help you too, you can also try to update your Instagram. So just go to App Store, just go to search tab, in search tab just write Instagram, and if you see here not open with update, just tap on update and it will successfully download and install the latest updates for your Instagram. So this is the way how you can also try to fix it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.